I'm Count Ferris, and today we will be reading It's a Catching Day by Dian Sukma Kuswardhani and illustrated by Gilang, Ayyoubi, Hartanto. The little Toman fish and his mother live in a river. Today, little Toman learns to catch his food. Little Toman hides behind a big rock. He hopes to catch fish easily. Suddenly, that big rock is moving. The fishes are running away. Little Toman tries to catch, and catch. Unfortunately, no fish can be caught. Wow, a dragonfly! Little Toman wants to catch it. Oops! A kingfisher is watching little Toman from far. Brr, brr, brr. Kingfisher is ready to catch the dragonfly. Kingfisher nimbly flies to catch it. However, his beak gets stuck in the roots of a tree. Kingfisher does not give up. He tries to catch the fish. Little Toman patiently waits for his action. It seems Kingfisher's beak hits something. However, it is not his prey fish. Little Toman sees a school of fish swim fast toward him. It turns out they are avoiding Kingfisher. The fishes are trapped between Kingfisher and little Toman. They manage to catch the fishes together. The end.